Hey guys, this is Sandra and welcome to Spider-Man Ultimate. Spider-Man Ultimate, I don't know, just see it in the description or I'll post it in the video. So in the description if you want to download this game. So yeah, I've been focusing on a lot of video games, but I can't think of a game. But I don't know what game should I play today, but yeah, so I've decided to play Xbox game if it is not high quality games. So just gonna play this game. So I don't know how good it was, but I rated 10 out of 10 because I played it. And if you like it,
don't have any time to waste.
I'll give you the description to download it, and like, comment, subscribe, and see you at the end of the video.
Get a load of me. Sorry about your window. Time to give some sinister soldiers arachnophobia. Whoops. These rings ain't no thing.
So yeah guys, that's about it. So hope you know that I've been suffering from any games that I can play. So other 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 games that I couldn't play because they are incompatible. But don't worry, I download them on a torrent for free. I don't buy them. I think of a way how to download them. So please don't hate me. I just changed my profile pictures on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Vine or anything. So yeah, thumbs up, smash that like button, share this on any friends or any of your dogs, neighbors, or nothing. I don't know. Maybe your video game pals or your partners or yeah. So I'll leave this link down in the description. Hope you like this video. Sorry for the lagginess. See you in the next episode and goodbye.